Slime picks are drawing.
Okay.
And
Skin color.
these are our drawings.
Skin color.
Shelly, you done your drawing.
That was yours. Yours is blue. Your skin color.
I haven't done mine yet.
Yeah, it just fell. Mine is pastel green.
Oh no, I have stuff inside. Oh.
Okay,
Two
I'm
of
just
mine
gonna redo ours. at the
Yeah.
same time. Okay, are you guys ready?
Let's go.
3, 2, 1. Oh. I'm gonna redo that and try to get only one bead.
It came out. It's
Teal. I got
like
pastel.
a light green.
I got pastel pink.
I got a light green.
I got pastel pink.
Mine's going Elphaba.
Mine's going Glinda, but with pink skin.
Yeah. Okay, pink.
That's not pink. We gotta make this
Oh.
snappy.
Oh, it's really good. I need a light green. This should work. Let's check.
Okay, this is gonna be her
Let us
skin
color in
color.
real quick.
Next is our shirts.
Oh, I got this like light blue color. Would you?
I'm gonna redo because I got light pink again. Oh, purple.
purple
Okay, now we're gonna do hair.
Yeah, I'm super nervous.
Oh, I got a couple different colors. Guess we're doing ombre. I
And-
got
Oh, I forgot. these colors.
light blue,
Why am I only
pink,
doing
and yellow. So, yeah,
light blue?
light blue, pink, and yellow.
All right. I got light pink and purple. I also got blue. Next is eyes.
Oh. We're gonna redo
I got teal and purple. I mean,
No,
that
there
should
can't
be
be
good.
two. There can't be two different eye colors.
It's just gonna be
Actually-
red on this inside.
Oh yeah, you can do two different eye
All
colors.
right. Did you get yours in yet?
Got green and blue. So,
Yeah.
green and
Now it is accessories. Oh, let me put these back in. Oh, I'm gonna do 4. I got purple. Oh, I'll get these in. I got purple, light pink,
I got light pink.
and
That won't work.
light green.
We're gonna do blue.
Our
Finished
end
project.
results. Bye.